Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Everywhere. Today we are going to change the switchboard with this new switchboard, and we will also take a look of inside wiring of switchboard. We have to connect wires by looping from one switch to another. We need some wires. Firstly, we will lose these screws. We need to strip the wires from the both sides. Combine two wires like this. Now insert the wires in groove provided and tighten the screws. Loop the all wires like this. This is fan regulator wire and we have to connect it here. And this wire will be connected to phase wire from the fan. For plug socket, we will connect another wire. Here we will connect earthing and neutral wire respectively. Let's remove this old board. Switchboard is removed. Let's mount new switchboard. Here is the all wiring. This is wire from the fan. Its phase wire. Here is earthing wire and neutral wire. Here we have connected wires coming from the various tube lights and bulbs in home. Here we are ready to glow the lights. If you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.